The year is 2035. AI has taken over factories, offices, even creative industries. The world is at a crossroads. The question is, will humans still be successful in this AI-driven future? Or will we become obsolete? In the past decade, AI has revolutionized every industry. From writing books to diagnosing diseases, machines are outperforming humans at an alarming rate. Tech CEOs claim AI will enhance human potential. But is that really true? Meet Alex, a skilled software developer. He thought AI would help him until it replaced him. His job, automated. His skills, outdated. And he's not alone. Millions are facing the same fate. Companies are replacing workers with AI not out of necessity, but for profit. The rich get richer while millions wonder, where do humans fit in this new world? The solution? Adapt or get left behind. Those who embrace AI, learning how to use it, not fight it, thrive. But those who resist, they vanish from the workforce. Alex made a choice. Instead of fighting AI, he decided to work with it. He learned AI development, mastered automation, and became indispensable in the new economy. But not everyone is so lucky. AI can process data, predict outcomes, and even create art. But there's one thing it can't replicate: human creativity, emotion, and originality. The future of success isn't about fighting AI. Those who learn AI will rise. Those who resist will disappear. The future isn't AI versus humans. It's AI with humans. The only question is, are you ready? The future of success is in your hands. Will you fear AI, or will you embrace it? Share your thoughts in the comment.